Good morning, my name is Alan Callagher and I happen to be the chairman of the Tees Wheelyboats Club. We have just managed to source funding and purchase the boat, and today we are just putting it together, assembling it, and it will have its first dip in the water at lunchtime today. We have organised for a lady called Mrs. Jennifer Brown to come and do a naming ceremony, as the boat will be named after her late husband, Mitchell Brown. And we'll be doing that about 12 o'clock, and the guys here, the volunteers here, are putting the boat together, as we say.
That's in board.
That's in there, yeah. So,
how excited are you?
Extremely excited. Well, I don't know, I don't get excited, but I'm looking forward to seeing it go in. And I shall certainly enjoy doing it.
Yeah, just give me the plastic rolling. Yeah, take it onto that one, Trevor.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. 2.5 years work, brilliant, great to see. All because of a group of lads who wanted to spend the time doing it. Absolutely super. Now all we need is passengers.
Hello, I'm Jennifer Brown. I'm here to name the boat, which is fab.
Hello everybody, I'd just like to ask Jennifer Brown to name our new wheelie boat. We've just put it in the water, and I'd just say I'd like her to name it Jennifer.
Mitch would have loved to have been here. He would have worn about 10 layers, but he would have been here. He thought the whole idea and the experience of the wheelies was great and he loved it. But I know most of all, he would have been proud as I am to be part of a family where they had an idea and the determination to see it through, no matter how many or what hurdles were put in front of them. So it's my honour and pleasure to name this boat Mitchell Brown, and may it bring fair winds and good fortune to all who sail in it.
But you probably solitude driving.
I suppose we should have got Guinness.
That's a horse in
There we go. Not wasting. Drops. There we go. Yeah.